Top 3 best apps to day trade. If you're looking to day trade, buying and selling same day to capture short-term moves, you'll want an app built for speed, tools, and discipline. Not all trading apps are equal when it comes to day trading. Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 best apps to day trade, what each one excels at, what to watch out for, and who each one is best suited for. 3. App for active, cost-efficient trading. At number 3, we have an app that combines low cost with active trading tools. This kind of app appeals to traders who need a mobile platform that handles rapid trades, offers free or ultra-low commissions, and gives access to real-time data. Advantages: you get fast order entry, quick access to stocks, ETFs or options, minimal fees help prevent costs from eating your profits. It's great for newer day traders who want to test the waters without huge overhead. Disadvantages: while lower cost is an advantage, the toolset may be less advanced than professional platforms. Charting, advanced order types, or custom automation may be limited. Free tiers might restrict margin options or other features. Ideal user: a day trader who is cost-conscious, trades relatively small positions, wants ease of use on mobile, and is still building their strategy. 2. App for advanced tools and fast execution. In the number 2 spot is an app built for speed, execution, quality, and more advanced trading capabilities. This app supports more order types, deeper charting, perhaps margin or options, and caters to experienced traders who need responsiveness. Advantages: strong execution speed helps you capture rapid moves. More sophisticated tools give you greater flexibility, customization, and insight.
Real-time quotes. Complex orders. Rapid fills, these matter when seconds count.
Disadvantages: the complexity means a steeper learning curve. Fees, margin, or advanced tools might come at higher cost. If you're not disciplined, the increased speed and power can also lead to faster losses. Ideal user: a trader comfortable with intraday strategies who uses advanced order types, focuses on execution quality, and is confident managing risk in a fast-moving environment. 1. App for professional day traders and full functionality. Taking the number 1 spot is an app designed for serious day traders who demand full functionality, algorithmic support, deep market access, multi-leg options, futures or global markets, plus fast mobile and desktop integration. Advantages: this platform offers the most comprehensive toolset, high-quality execution, multiple asset classes, full-feature charting, advanced risk tools, and deep customization. If you trade full-time, this is what you want. Disadvantages: because it's so powerful, it often requires a significant account size, high discipline, and knowledge. Fees, margin, complexity, and the need for constant focus mean this is not casual trading. Also, day trading itself carries high risk most traders lose. Ideal user: a full-time or highly committed day trader who treats this like a profession, uses dedicated tools, has strategies, risk management, and is ready to work hard. Final thoughts. So there you have it, the top 3 best apps to day trade. A cost-efficient, beginner-friendly app has 3 if you're getting started. A faster tool-rich app has 2 for more serious intraday traders. A professional-grade app has one for high-performance trading with full features. Before you choose, ask yourself, how much time will you commit? What markets will you trade? How much risk can you handle? Do you need simple execution or full professional functionality? Day trading demands precision, tools, and discipline. If you're serious about day trading, pick the app that suits your level. Build a clear plan, manage your risk carefully, and keep learning every day. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.